Hi, I'm Chris Ellington. I'm the CEO of Home Solutions Limited. We're the developer of the Zip-Stop braking mechanism, which is a commercial brake system for zip lines. We developed the product in conjunction with Eldorado Wall Company. The product was developed to fill a growing need in the commercial zip line market for a sensible braking system for some long line zip systems. They had to be able to operate under a range of environmental conditions and across a broad range of rider weights and rider impact velocities to tailor all the applications that are out there in the fast growing zipline market. The unit itself, we've developed it with an eddy current braking technology. This is a non-contact magnetic system, and it works on the natural phenomenon of eddy currents. We can demonstrate how that works here by taking just a conventional steel weight and running that past an aluminium tube. If we drop that down here, the weight falls rapidly down to the end with no braking force. If we replace that steel weight with a high strength magnet and do the same test, you can see that the weight falls significantly slower, and that's that braking mechanism that's generated there through the magnet and the tube, which we use inside the Zip-Stop unit. Now, the benefit of that is it's non-contact. It works on the proximity of the magnets to the aluminium, and that means it's very low wear, so it's got very low maintenance costs. And part of the innovative and patented design that's inside the unit itself is the way in which we harness that natural phenomenon and adjust the braking force dependent on the impact conditions of the rider. So the unit itself self-adjusts the amount of braking force it provides dependent on the impact speed and weight of the rider that's on it. What that does is it provides a very consistent braking distance for all sorts of riders of varying weights and sizes and impact speeds, and it also means very smooth deaccelerations across the range. From a commercial application, that increases the operating range for your Zip-Stop unit and allows zip lines over longer distances, steeper angles, and to be used in a broader range of environmental conditions. Another key benefit of the unit itself is it self-resets after it's been used. So once the rider is disengaged from the line, the unit self-retracts and resets itself for the next user with no required input or external input. What this means is we can minimise the amount of supervision needed on a Zip-Stop braking platform, which minimises the operator's costs. A key benefit we talked about before was also the smoothness of the deacceleration. So there's two benefits in doing that. It's very smooth deacceleration for the user, so they don't feel any jerky motion. There's no sudden deacceleration, there's no pendulum up and potentially hitting the rope above them. But there's also increased safety, and in the growing insurance market around zip lines, safety has become a paramount issue. We've done extensive testing on the unit itself. I mentioned before that the core technology came from the True Blue automatic belay unit. It's been selling internationally now for over 2 years, and 2,000 units in production around the globe. We've also done extensive testing in our laboratory. We run an ISO 17025 accredited testing laboratory, and the unit's been tested and verified through extensive testing through there. On top of that, we've done a range of endurance tests. And finally, the unit's been subjected to a number of beta trial tests and in-field testing, and we can demonstrate that with some on-site testing.